One of the things that are most important and required by the manufacturers and you don't see often on an attic installation with ductwork is the proper number of supports, which would be those metal saddles with those black straps, to keep the ductwork straight and level, minimizing dips and turns. The benefit of having proper supports on the flexible duct system allows for the best airflow possible. If you'd like more information on a duct system such as the one we just described to you, give us a call at our office or reach out to us on our website.